Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay, and in this class we are going to study our sixth one, that is Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. I know it is kind of boring, but we have no choice, we have to study. Okay, so let's study with full enthusiasm. Self-Rural Employment Training Institute. It is the second last one, and in the next video it will be the last one. Okay, so in this, lakhs of youth are entering the job market every year in this country but are unable to find a suitable employment. So basically, the non-availability of the adequate employment opportunities in the organized and unorganized sector is one of the serious challenge that the country is facing. So, in such a scenario, the need for promoting self employment for unemployed rural youth, particularly those below the poverty line, and periodic skills upgradation to keep them abreast of latest technology. Okay. So basically, their motive was to find out the unemployed rural youth and give them specific skill upgradation. Okay, and to keep them updated with the latest technology so that they can get some good job. So after they are given the training, the youth will launch profitable micro enterprises and enhance their standard of living and thereby contribute to the overall national economy. They can also feed the service sector both within the country and abroad. So, with the aim of mitigating the unemployment problem among the youth, a new initiative was tried jointly by Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara Educational Trust. Okay, and after that, Syndicate Bank also had started the initiative, and after that, Canara Bank. Okay, in 1982, which was set up of the Rural Development and Self-Employment Training Institute with the acronym of RUDSETI. Okay, near Dharmasthala in Karnataka. So now I will be telling you the objective of this rural self-employment training. Okay, so first one is that BPL youth will be identified and trained for self-employment. Okay, and second is the training will be offered. The trainings offered will be demand-driven. Okay. Third is the area in which training will be provided to the trainee will be decided after the assessment of the candidate's aptitude. So, say a small test also to check the aptitude of the candidate whether he is even worthy or not. Fourth one is hand holding support will be provided for a short credit linkage with the bank. Fifth is escort service will be provided for at least 2 years soon to ensure sustainability in micro enterprise trainees. Last point is the trainees will provide intensive short-term residential self-employment training program with free food and accommodation. So these were the basic highlights or objective of this mission. And they have also gave the sponsorships also, like there shall be only single banks sponsorship of this rural under this RSET. Okay, in a district to avoid any overlapping or disruption in management. Like land for setting up RSETs, okay, is allotted to the concerned banks free of cost by the state government. And in case if banks so desire, they may also request the state government for assistance to construction okay. So now we will come on to program structure, that what was the structure of this program. So each training institute, rural self-employment training institute, offer about 30 to 40 skill development program in a financial year in various avenues. All the programs are of short duration ranging from preferably 1 to 6 weeks. Okay, and if I tell you about the general classification or what are the types of program were there, so there were basic five categories. Okay, so first one was agriculture program. Types of program, basically agriculture program. So in this they have agriculture and allied activity like dairy, poultry, apiculture, horticulture, sericulture, mushroom cultivation, etc., etc. Okay, second one is product program. In this they teach to just designing for the man and woman, Rexine utility articles, agarbatti manufacturing, football making, bags, bakery product, leaf cup making, etc. Okay, so in product these all came. Third one is process program. So in the process one, what all come? Two wheel repairs, radio TV repairs, motor rewinding, electrical transformer repairs, irrigation pump setup repairs, okay, tractors and power tiller repairs, etc., etc. Fourth one is general general programs, in which they include skill development program for the women. Fifth one and the last is other program, or you can say miscellaneous ones, which is related to sectors like leather, construction, hospitality, and other sectors depending on the local requirement. Okay, so this was all about this rural self-employment training program. Okay, so in the next class we are going to do our last one, that is direct benefit transfer. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.